1,000 peso. And beware ha, kasi maraming fake. What are the benefits of barley? Oh my gosh, there are so many. Barley is the healthiest, scientifically proven to be the healthiest. Yes, 1,000 po per box. Sobrang dami pong benefits ni barley. Yung immune system niyo po, i-boost niya. You will get, mas maganda po yung bowel movement ninyo. Yan. Also, when I take this 30 minutes before my breakfast, nabubusog na po ako. So I don't eat so much anymore kasi nabubusog na ako. So, this is very nice. Again, yung meron po mga iba na gumagamit ng picture ko, pero ang ginagamit po namin dito sa bahay namin, pati po si Robin, ay ito, yung I Am Amazing Barley. Yes. For those who are asking about I Am Barley, I Am Amazing, I Am Worldwide Amazing Barley. This is organic. This is from Australia po yung barley na to. There are so many health benefits of barley. So many. Ilang piraso po ang laman ng isang box? Meron po itong 10 piraso. 10 mga daliri. Okay, meron po itong 10 piraso at ideally, take 2 a day. Take 2 a day yung maganda. This is halal. This is very good.